Hi, I'm Nitya from snsacademy. In this video, we are going to learn about how to compare the numbers. In the last video, as I told, how to introduce the numbers, what are some different fun learning methods which we can introduce in the class for the children. So when we are comparing the numbers, the child should know the concept of the sequence of the number. If the child knows the sequence of the number, it's easy for the child to identify which is the bigger number and which is the smaller number. That is nothing but the greatest and the smallest number. So when we are introducing this, so we have to start with the number line, as I told. So this will be easier for the children to understand the sequence of the numbers. So when we if you give some objects for the children for the hands-on activities, so we have to pick up just like a gamification method, where we can show some flashcard and ask the children to find out, take that many objects, and the another team we can show the another number and ask them to pick out that many objects. So once they pick out the number objects, they can find out which is more and which is less. So like this we can compare the numbers. So many children, even when they are using the greater than or the lower than symbol, at that time they will get the confusion. So this can be introduced even through the story. So one crocodile, which crocodile was just I want to share this story about the crocodile. This crocodile name was Alice, and that crocodile was very hungry. That crocodile wants to eat the bigger number. As we all know, when we are hungry, we want more amount, more quantity to eat, right? So we are expecting to be given more thing for us so that our tummy can fill up. So for this, what we have to do, for the crocodile, it wants to eat the bigger number always. So always when it wants to eat the bigger number, it will open towards the mouth will be open always towards the bigger number. As we all know, it open towards the bigger number. So it will be easy for the children to identify. Always the greater than symbol will be like this. So it will the mouth will be open towards the bigger number. So it will be easy for the children even to find out which is the greatest number and how can I use the symbol and how can I compare the numbers. It is very easy for the children to identify that. So once we are introducing the numbers, even after comparing the numbers, we can ask the children to know the number names. To know the number names, so we can have some hopping game for the children, writing the numbers in at another corner and the number name at the another corner. And with the team, make the pair it can be a pair activity for the children. Just what we have to do, pick up any two children like in a team. So ask them to, one child has to stand on the number 1 and the other child has to find the number name for that number. So once they start finding out the number name, it will be easy for the children. That is 1, one. So the child starts finding the number name for that particular number and they can find it very easily. So it will be very fun for the children to learn this. And even when we can take some other number like 9 or 8, so and asking the children to stand on that number. One child, as it is a pair activity, one child can stand on the number 9. And what is the number name for that? 9 is N-I-N-E, 9. And the other child has to find out where is the number 9, number name for the number 9. So once they are finding this like this, so it will be easy for the children to understand the concept. Even they will learn the number name along with that. Even the comparing also, as we know, if we explain through the story, the child will be understanding. So just like a fun, the child can learn this through this activity. And even we can give them some hands-on activities to find the number name, just like giving them some flashcards for the children and asking them to match the number with the number name. Once the children are thorough with the number names, they can even match at any time at any cost. So if we give any number, along with that number, the child has to be given even the flashcards for the number name, so they can match it very easily and even learn the spellings very easily. So these fun learning methods makes the children to be more active in the class, and even to learn this they'll happily learn, because as they know the math some children may find difficulty, but by using all these fun learning methods they can enjoy the class and even they can learn the numbers very happily. Thank you.